So there you are, if you want to see. You weren't posed. You weren't posed, but it's still, it's a lovely backdrop.
Yeah.
It's a 360.
Okay.
All the way around.
Awesome.
They're so cool.
In your picture.
No, no, no. No.
We didn't realize you
You're not the subject, at least not on purpose, but people in it makes it kind of real in a way, you know what I mean? Wow, yeah. Oh yeah, this is a great trail, easy way to see some big
How can you
places.
walk this far?
You get used to it. You can too when you get used to it. Of course,
If you ride,
I'm not a professional because I don't have a really good stick,
if you
but
ride a stick, you would be gutter.
Yeah.
no doubt,
You would,
without a doubt.
tired, you can kick your body.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
My brothers are way ahead of me.
Yeah, they're serious about it. Thank you, thank you. All right. Oh, it's fixing to be really cool over this high spot. I've been here before. Why is my phone talking to me so much out here? Good. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna need to do another one. Just momentarily.